The topic of discussion in this video is to find the two or more rational numbers between two given numbers. This topic is generally you find in class 9th, chapter number 1, that is real number. Okay, let's start the video. For example, there are two numbers 2 and 3, and we have to find two rational numbers in between 2 and 3. That means we have to find two rational numbers which are in between 2 and 3. Then how will you do that? There are two methods by which you can find out these. Firstly, I will explain the first method, then I will also tell you another method by which you can find these types of questions. Now the first method, let this is be the A and this is be the B. Okay, so the first method formula is A plus B by 2. Okay, so we just add 2 plus 3 over 2, it becomes 5 over 2. So 5 over 2 comes in between 2 and 3. Okay, now you have to find two rational numbers. So either you will take now this as a A and this as a B, or you can take it this and this and find a number in between 2 and 5 by 2, or either 5 by 2 and in between 3. You can take any one of them. So here what we get, for example, we get 5 over 2. Now if we take 2 and 5 over 2, then what we will get? If we take 5 by 2 and 3, then what will we get? You can use either of any. So this becomes A and this becomes B. So our formula again becomes 1 upon 2 A plus B. Clear? So 1 upon 2, 2 plus 5 upon 2. So when you solve, you get 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. That is 9 by 2 into 2. That means we get 9 over 4. Similarly, from here we also get a rational number between these two. So what is the formula? Half. We have to add both of them. 5 upon 2 plus 3. Now what we have? Take the LCM. It is 2. It is 5. It is 2 3s are 6. So 5 and 6 becomes 11. So what we get? 1 upon 2 into 11 upon 2. That is what we get, 11 by 4. So what are the rational numbers in between 2 and 3? 9 by 4, 5 by 2 and 11 by 4. You can similarly got more number of rational numbers in between 2 and 3. So this is the first method by which you can find unlimited number of rational numbers between given two numbers. And main formula for this, the formula which we use over here in order to find is half of A plus B. So this is the first method by which you can find rational numbers in between given two numbers. Now I am going to explain you the second method also for the same question. You apply this concept in different questions of your book and ultimately you will get the right answer. Now the second method. For example, it is given in the question, insert 4 rational numbers in between 2 and 3. Okay, so this and this, let the starting number be 2 and the number is 3. We have to find different rational numbers between 2 and 3. And how many rational numbers we have to find? We have to find 4 rational numbers. So value of n is equal to 4. Now just learn a formula which is very helpful. It is y minus x over n plus 1, which is equals to common difference, that is d. That means you have to subtract the bigger digit and the smaller digit, and in the denominator the number of rational numbers we have to find plus 1. Okay, substitute different values. We get 3 minus 2 over 4 plus 1, which is equals to 1 over 5. Clear? This is the first step. Now second step. You have to find 4 rational numbers, that is a plus d, then a plus 2d, then a plus 3d, then a plus 4d. So we get easily 4 rational numbers. Okay, so substitute the values. A means 2, starting number. What is the value of d? 1 by 5. Clear? Similarly here, 2 plus 2 into 1 by 5. Okay, similarly here, 2 plus 3 into 1 by 5. In the same way, here what we do, 2 plus 4 into 1 over 5. Now what we get? 5 2s are 10 plus 1, that is 11 over 5. Here 5 2s are 10, 12 over 5. 5 2s are 10, 13 over 5. 5 2s are 10, 14 over 5. So these are the 4 rational numbers which are in between 2 and 3. So these are the 2 methods by which you can find infinite numbers of rational numbers between 2 given numbers. I will also explain some little bit more example. One more example I am going to explain you. Before explaining another question, I also want to talk with you. If you want personal coaching with myself, or you want a group coaching, that means you want to join the group of class 9th, class 10th, class 11th or 12th, or you want your doubts only to be cleared, you can download the app Sonika Anand Academy from Google Play Store and just WhatsApp on the number 7007820783 regarding your query. We are always eager to help you and we provide you all the best materials to you, included recorded video lectures, streamlined classes, test and assignment, and more, and some guest papers also, sample papers also. Okay, thank you. Now I am going to explain you some little bit more example. Insert 2 rational numbers between 1.4 and 1.4, 1.3 and 1.4, and 2 rational numbers. That means the first number x is equal to 1.3 and the second number y is equal to 1.4, and we have to insert 2 rational numbers. So what is the common difference? This is the y minus x over n plus 1. Just remember this formula. You have always subtract the bigger digit with the smaller digit. So we get 1.4 minus 1.3 over 2 plus 1. So which is equal to 0.1 over 3, or you can say 1 over 30. Okay. Now we have to insert 2 rational numbers. Okay. So a plus d and the second rational number a plus 2d. So 1.3 plus 1 over 30. Here we have 1.3 plus 2 over 30. It becomes 13 over 10. It becomes 13 over 10. Okay. Now you solve it. You can solve it directly into decimals, but I am explaining you a little bit more so that your answer always be right. 13 over 10 plus 1 over 30. When you take the LCM, you get 30, that is 3. 13 3s are 39 plus 1, which is equal to 40 by 30. So it is get cancelled, 1.33. Okay, 3 ones are 3, then 10. Now similarly here we get 13 over 10 plus 2 by 30. So we get 39 plus 2 over 30. That means 41 over 30. So when you divide, what you will get? 1.36. So these are the two rational numbers between 1.3 and 1.4. So in this way you can do a lot of questions, and I am damn sure that you will solve each and every question of your textbook. Thank you for watching the video.